Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE Note 56 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, we need to open the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all of the browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. Oh my god, there is a lot of things to... Okay, accept, whatever. We are here on our browser. So all you need to do here is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and then tap on delete browsing data. Here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies, cache, and other site data. So, well, basic options. Here we can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last hour or last 4 weeks. It's completely up to you. Just tap on the option you want to use and then tap on delete data. However, if you'd like to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got them. So tabs, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. If you wish to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. We can change the time range here again and tap on delete data. And we just got back, the Chrome was closed, and it basically means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.